If you've never hooped before, let me go ahead and show you how to hoop. You want to go ahead and put both feet in. Put one foot in front of you. Have the hoop securely behind your back. What you want to do is give it a nice push and exaggerate your hips. Going with the hoop. Okay, let's go ahead and try that one more time. Slow down your hoop. Bring your one foot forward. Have it securely behind your back. Give it a nice push and begin hooping again. Now you're hooping.